Hello my people, hi, how are you? This is Unique Skin. Today I'll be showing you how to activate your Snow White powder into your oil to give you the glow and whitening you want. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Alright, so let's go there. Now you'll be needing a container, a jar, for your production. You'll be needing 1 tablespoon, half teaspoon, and a spatula, yeah, it's called spatula, to turn. Then I'll also need this to take some of my essential oils. All right, I'll be using glycerin, lightning glycerin, lavender essential oil. I'll be using sweet almond and jojoba oil, vitamin E, and my carrot oil. Okay, so let's go. The first thing is I'll take 1 tablespoon and I'll take my sweet almond and jojoba oil, just 1 tablespoon. Okay, good. 1 tablespoon. All right, the next thing is for me to put my carrot oil, 1 tablespoon. Okay, I'll add my lightning glycerin. I'll also add a tablespoon of the lightning glycerin. Okay, powder. So I'll be using half teaspoon for my Snow White powder, half teaspoon. Okay, so it's time to dissolve it. I'll be dissolving it on a double boiler. So it's time to dissolve my Snow White powder. My Snow White powder is oil soluble. Okay, so meaning you can dissolve your Snow White powder in oil. So don't go about using water to dissolve your Snow White powder. Okay, all right, I'm gonna off my stove and put it aside. Okay, so let me show you how it is. You see, you can see the bottom, it's already dissolved. I'll be adding my vitamin E oil. I just need like a drop of the vitamin E oil. Okay, okay, the vitamin E oil is a very good antioxidant. It helps in oil oxidation. It makes your oil stay the way it is, last longer without changing color. And now I'll be adding my lavender essential oil, 3 drops. That's okay. Okay. Okay, and guys, that's it. You know, so the next thing you do is just for you to jar, put the content in a container and mix with your lotion, or you moisturize your skin with this. If you want, you can also mix it with your soap, liquid soap, for good moisturizer and a nice glow. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to know anytime I upload any new video. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you. I'm signing out. Unique Skin. Bye.